Welcome to your Tuesday weather forecast. Another windy day in store along the coast with near gale force to gale force winds spreading along the southern coast, strong winds along the Wild Coast and the coast of KwaZulu-Natal, then fresh winds picking up over the interior of the Eastern Cape on a Tuesday afternoon with strong winds persisting along the southern coast on a Tuesday evening. The South African Weather Service issued warnings for rough seas and damaging winds between Alexander Bay and Plettenberg Bay with an orange level 5 warning in place there. A yellow level 4 warning in place between Plettenberg Bay and Port Edward for rough seas, and then a yellow level 2 between Port Edward and Richards Bay also for rough seas. We are expecting winds to pick up over the interior of the Eastern Cape, therefore a yellow level 4 warning in place for damaging winds. Morning showers possible over the Western Cape with light snow in the vicinity of Sutherland, scattered showers between Plettenberg Bay and Gqabi, light snow over the southern Drakensberg, and then isolated showers moving over parts of KwaZulu-Natal, spreading along the eastern escarpment into Mpumalanga by late evening. In the Western Cape, initially rainy start to your day, later partly cloudy and cool to cold with maximum temperatures only around 15 degrees to 13 in the afternoon in Worcester, 14 in Cape Town and Hermanus, and westerly winds spreading along the coast with strong to near gale force winds at times, scattered showers between Plettenberg Bay and Gqabi, and a cold day ahead in the Karoo, only 14 in the afternoon in Graafreinet, but very cold over the northern parts of the Eastern Cape with maximum temperatures only around 10 degrees, 11 in Kumani and Kuwa, and cool along the coast with 17 in East London and 19 in Port St. John's. A foggy start to your day in parts of KwaZulu-Natal. Later, the cold weather also reaching this province. Maximum temperatures only around 20 degrees and isolated showers moving over the province. A freezing cold start to your day over the Highveld of Mpumalanga. Minimum temperatures only around 0 degrees with 0 in Standerton, but heating up in the Lowveld with 28 in the afternoon in Skukuza and isolated showers by the evening. A warm day ahead for the Bushveld with mostly sunny conditions, but heating up in the Lowveld with a 30 in the afternoon in Thohoyandou. A freezing cold start to your day in northwest, minimum temperatures dropping below 0 degrees with -3 in the morning in Vryburg, -2 in Taung. Frost is possible in these areas, later remaining cool to cold with only 15 in the afternoon in Klerksdorp. And then a cold to very cold day in the Northern Cape with maximum temperatures only around 10 degrees in some places, 11 in the afternoon in Calvinia and Carnarvon, Sutherland, peaking at a high of only 7 degrees with a light snow possible in Sutherland. They are reaching a high of 10 and 14 in Postmasburg. Minimum temperatures dropping below 0 degrees in the Free State with a -2 in the morning in Bloemfontein, -3 in Forest Smith. Frost is possible in the big parts of the Free State, later remaining cold with only 11 in Forest Smith and 13 in Bloemfontein. Frost also possible over the southern parts of Gauteng with -1 in the morning in Vereniging, remaining cool to cold with only 17 in Vereniging. Pretoria reaching a high of 21. And then on Wednesday, most of the rain clearing up with light rain only possible here over the extreme eastern parts of the country. The cold also reaching the eastern parts on Wednesday. And then on Thursday, heating up in the west with maximum temperatures above 20 degrees, 21 in the afternoon in Cape Town, remaining cool to cold in the east with 20 in the afternoon in Richards Bay and light showers possible there. That's all from me. Remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.